Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about why lithium is strong reducing agent than the cesium. Why lithium is strong reducing agent than cesium. Students, we know alkali metals, group 1 metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium is a liquid radioactive metal, right? Liquid radioactive element is francium. Generally, when we are talking about the properties of alkali metals, we will talk up to cesium, starting from the lithium, right? Generally, in the redox reactions in which simultaneously both oxidation and reduction takes place, those are called as redox reactions. Reactions in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are called as redox reactions. Medium for the redox reactions is a aqueous medium. Redox reactions, general medium for the redox reactions is aqueous medium. They will occur in the water, right? Then generally metals acts like a reducing agents, right? Generally metals, what is the general nature? Metal can easily loses the electrons, forms electropositive cations, right? M plus like that. So they will lose their electrons. When they are losing their electrons, loss of electrons is oxidation. Gain of electron is reduction. Okay, we can memorize by this using oil rig, right? Oxidation is loss of electron, reduction is gain of electrons, right? So metals in the redox reactions, generally they will act like a reducing agents because they will undergo oxidation. Okay, the species which is itself undergoing oxidation and reducing the other is called as a reducing agent. So now we are discussing about reducing nature of the alkali metals compared with the cesium. Why lithium has more strong reducing agent, that we are discussing now, right? So this will depends on the reducing nature of the metal will depends on two factors. One is ionization energy, enthalpy we can indicate it as a delta Hi, which is endothermic process, positive sign, delta H has positive sign. It should be stabilized by hydration, right? M gives rise to M plus aqueous. This is indicated as delta H hydration. This is generally exothermic in nature, indicated with the negative sign. So the net value of this should be more negative. That species or that metal is a strong reducing agent, right? We know for the hydration, general principle is smaller the size of the ion, more will be the hydration. Let us continue our discussion with that now, right? Hydration process. Hydration is a process of interaction between water molecules and ions. General principle for hydration is smaller the size of ion, higher will be the hydration. Smaller the size of ion, higher will be the hydration. So students, for alkali metal cations, if you consider Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, right, down the group size will increases. As the size increases, hydration decreases. Okay, general principle for the hydration is smaller the size of ion, higher will be the hydration, right? When we take delta H hydration value, for lithium it is a maximum value because of smaller size. Li plus, lithium ion, Li plus is greater than, Na plus is greater than, K plus is greater than, Rb plus is greater than Cs plus. But delta H ionization energy value, it is lithium is greater than, Na is greater than, K is greater than, Rb is greater than Cs, right? So for a reducing agent, generally this enthalpy of ionization should be low value and hydration enthalpy should be more positive. More negative. It should be more negative value of hydration enthalpy is required. Ionization enthalpy should be less because the sign of delta Hi, it is endothermic process positive. Delta H hydration, it is a exothermic process, so it has a minus sign, right? So on the whole, this net of these two sum value should be more negative. That is comparatively more for the lithium compared with the other alkali metals, right? Even though cesium, we know it is more electropositive, but here hydration is more for the lithium, so which the hydration enthalpy is compensated by the high ionization energy of lithium. So lithium will be the strong reducing agent compared with the cesium. Thanks for watching.